There are burdens you're not supposed to carry but are necessary. Maaring sinalo mo ang ibang obligasyon na dapat hindi para sa'yo. Pwede yan sa pamilya, pwede yan sa work, or maybe in some relationships, it can be a financial matter. Hindi naman talaga ikaw may primary obligation, pero ikaw ang sumalo. So whatever the context you are in, alam ko hindi madali yan. Binubuhat mo yan. Maybe naging breadwinner ka because of that. And my prayer for you is that always remember that kahit anong kabigatan na nafe-feel mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. You can lift that up to God. You can also share those concerns with your trusted friends, yung mga hindi ka i-judge. Huwag mong solohin yung problema. May mga ganun talaga eh. May mga burden na ayaw natin sanang pasanin. Pero tayo yung kumuha nun kasi walang iba. So my prayer for you is, huwag mong solohin yung burden